what you need is 3 egg whites, a 1/4 cup sugar, a pinch of salt, 2 cups powdered sugar, and 1 cup almond flour. First, sift your almond flour and your powdered sugar together. Get all of those chunks out, we don't want them. Now sift your almond flour into your powdered sugar. Whisk together till well combined. Now separate your egg whites from your yolks. We're only going to use the whites, so I like to use the jiggling method, just jiggle it back and forth between the halves. Now that you have your egg whites, put them into an electric mixer, and here's where I struggle for a while to put the bowl on. Now that you have your bowl on, whisk with the electric mixer till you form nice white cakes. It takes a while. Once you've got halfway, you're going to add your normal sugar very slowly. This is about 4 minutes into whisking your egg whites. Now add your salt. Now that you have nice peaks, you can add your food coloring. I'm doing red because I want pink macaroons. And a little warning, the macaroons bake light, which means add a little bit more food coloring than you think you'll need. Now, fold in your flour 1/3 at a time. Don't overmix your batter. You want it to stay nice and light and fluffy, so just do about 20 strokes folding it in. Now that we got it all mixed up, it's going to be really easy to do. All you have to do is make little circles, and I just put it in a little bag and cut the corner off, make it easier on myself. Just make little, about 1/2 inch circles, and make sure you have an even amount. Pop them in the oven at 300 degrees for 20 minutes, and once they come out, they'll look something like this. Now take your icing, I'm using a blue, and I already have it in my bag, and just pipe a circle, and fill in that circle. This part's the fun part. Now that you have your icing on, you're just going to put on the top of your macaroon, and ta-da! There you have it, macaroons. Thanks for